Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your visual style in Once Human. If you want to change the visual style in your Once Human game, then you can easily do it by following these steps. First of all, launch open Once Human game on your device, and from the home page or the gameplay section, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. You'll then be able to see this expanded menu where you'll need to click Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, click on the Graphics option from the left-hand side. From the Graphic option, scroll down and look for the Visual Style option, where you can select the visual style for your game. You can go ahead and scroll through the Visual Style filter, choose any one you'd like for your game, and then once you are done, the changes will be saved automatically. You can cross out this menu and you will then be able to change your visual style in the game. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.